Hi everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you pure cinematic, beautiful shots, slow movements with the Mavic 3 and a magic FPV flight with the DJI Avata. I'm going to dive this waterfall that's really awesome place. Watch till the end. I will explain some small but very important tip exact for the beginner's pilot. See you soon, enjoy the video, let's. And of course, don't be shy. Subscribe to my channel, share to others. Let's go fly. Hi everyone, good morning lads, what's going on? Today we are traveling at beautiful Wicklow County in Ireland. We will discover together some beautiful spot with a very scenic and amazing waterfall and beautiful foggy forest. Yeah, again I wake up early in the morning, about 5 o'clock. Took myself up, all the gear, both drones, DJI Mavic 3 and Avata 2. I shooting now on DJI Action 5. That's my gear for now. Drone footage, it's my pleasure and my passion. Maybe one day it will be my job, who knows. That's truly a magic place. A lot of wild deer watching on us from the hill. Unfortunately, I don't have zoom on this lens. But trust me, a lot of them there. I watched them on my way. As you know, the brilliant time to capture with the drones, it's early in the morning or at the evening. Because at the midday you have very strong shadows, and that's bad for the footage. We are finally arrived to the spot. That's a dream, unbelievable. Just look at this forest, foggy forest, and this giant waterfall. beautiful green valley. I think I'm going up to this hill to place myself, and in these options I will have a good signal to dive this waterfall with the DJI Avata and fly over this foggy forest with the Mavic. I'm sure it will be great footage. Not so easy with all of the gear, but we will win. The rocks is wet, slicky. Amazing. We'll start again with Mavic first. Clean the lens a bit from the dust and everything. You are next. I finished with Mavic for today. Time for diving the waterfall with DJI Avata 2. Are you ready? Of course ready. Hopefully this baby will come back to me. Let's do that. Avata is back. As I promised, very important small tip, but this one going to take your footage few levels up, exact for beginners pilot. Remember that when you flying your drone like this in the air, it looks not professional, and sometimes you can be at really some beautiful magic location, but if you're doing with your drone this movement in the air, it's just looking amateur, I don't know, poor. So don't do that. Every shot, just one movement, straight, slide, use your gimbal, perform the orbit, use the zoom if you have, but never don't do in one shot movements like this. You can do that maybe with the FPV, but again with FPV you have to fly smooth as possible. But with classical drones, remember, every shot, one movement. Go to the left, to the right, back, forward, doesn't matter. But don't mix in one shot few movements. Remember, it's very important, and this small change will take your footage few levels up. Thanks for watching, everyone. More tips will be soon, and I'm working on one documentary film. That's my own small projects about the wolves in Ireland. I'm sure will be interesting. See you soon. Bye bye, lads.